I got this Gurin compact dehumidifier on thomason.com. It comes with, if I could lift it up, an on and off button where you can press on and off. You can hear it. It's a compact dehumidifier. It has light and quiet technology. Works really good. In Florida we get a lot of humidity. So this is perfect for the heat. I'm not sure what this is for. I think I have to read more up on it, but I'm not sure if it comes out. But it's a really good product to have in your home if you live in the hot weather like me. But I do highly recommend this product. It's worked really well for us.